if you want to set up VS Code properly with Unity, you see I have the script, the move script, and you see I get, or well, you will get errors about .slnx files not being able to open, or SDK files are missing, right? You can just ignore the debugger for Unity, right? First of all, I want you to install, let's see, Unity tools, because Unity Toolbox is deprecated. Code snippets and Unity will come with, but you can install everything I have here, including C# and C# Dev Kit, .NET install tool, unless you don't need it. But whenever I try to uninstall it, you see it says that C# Dev Kit and C# are dependent on it, so I will not do that. Anyways, you see the script here. You want to get IntelliSense, say I do transform dot position, right? I can get that. If you try that right now without setting it up properly, it will not work. You can do start, right? Oh my god, start. Right, it's not completing fully this whole thing, but you can easily get that, right? The update doesn't matter. You want particles, right? Particle system. Oh my god. Particle collision, particle extension, particle system. You get everything in Unity, right? So how do you do that? Well, first off, you're gonna go to the link in the description where I posted this link, right? The .NET Microsoft download, and you're gonna get the latest .NET, right? I'm gonna press that, and it's just gonna download. Now I've already downloaded it, so you don't need to. Right after you download it, we can close that. You're gonna run through the installation, and then you're gonna have to restart. Afterwards, you want to go to, in Windows, it's gonna be in Edit, Preferences, right? And in Preferences, you're gonna be on General. You want to change to External Tools. Right here, you're gonna select your VS Code version, right? Or if you're using just regular Visual Studio, you can select that. Then you're gonna select embedded packages, local registry, git, and built-in packages, and just hit regenerate project files. Also, you want to go to Window, Package Management, Package Manager, go to the Unity registry, and get Visual Studio, right? And you're gonna have Visual Studio Editor, right? If you see Visual Studio Code Editor, you can delete that. It's deprecated, it's not used, you don't need it. As you can see, Visual, right? There's no Visual Studio Code Editor in your project, right? You're gonna have to just remove that if you have the code. The Visual Studio Editor you keep. Next up, you go to your Visual Studio, right? And you press Control and comma, right? You'll go into the Settings tab. You can get the other way, in other ways, I believe, right? You just type here Settings and press that, right? I'll show you again. Settings. Okay, well maybe you can't get it there, but anyways, open Settings and type .NET Path and find OmniSharp.NET Path. Now in here, you can paste the location of your .NET, which you can get from your CMD. Though you do where .NET, and you see this is where your .NET is located. If we go there, you can see my .NET file, right? You can just take that, this whole line, and paste it here, right into OmniSharp. Now I don't need to, but you can do that. Anywho, once you do that, you should again restart your PC, just for safety precautions. And now you should have IntelliSense, right? Unity dot and whatever the heck you want. So you have multiplayer even. I don't know what that does. Play mode, current player, right? Anyways, you get the point. You get the IntelliSense. You don't get the annoying errors over here about the SLN, the SDK file, and it all should work. Well, thank you.